Good afternoon, guys. I've got my helpers down here helping me finish up the trailer. This is an update on our 20-foot trailer. My chickens are trying to eat it. Well, since you last saw, we were waiting on a solenoid, and we got our new solenoid in. Got everything wired up. Come to find out, when we went to use our remote, one of the terminals, I don't know if you can see that, one of the terminals there broke on us, and by the time we decided against how much they wanted for one, we decided to go with a wireless remote. So we got us a wireless remote. Got our battery box installed. We also installed a couple safety features. One's a fusible link and a safety shutoff so that it will not operate. Or if your solenoid happens to stick, you could flip that and it will shut it all down. We got our remote, a little handy dandy thing. Cut this on, flip our switch on. Works perfectly. Safety back off. Alright guys, all that's left to do is run a charge line to the battery from the truck. We'll update you. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe.